So we need to learn here dimensional hierarchies. By seeing the title, what is your understanding? We are going to create the hierarchy on dimension tables or on fact tables. On dimension tables only, not on the fact tables. And can you identify your dimension tables and fact tables in our RPD? Can you identify what are the dimension tables we have it? These three are dimension tables. This is a fact table. If I right click on this dimension table, I am seeing here create logical dimension, level based hierarchy and parent child hierarchy. And similarly on the products also I am getting the option. On the time also I am getting the option. But I am not getting those options on what? Why? Because it is a fact table. So hierarchy is related to what? Dimension tables. On top of dimension tables only we are going to create the hierarchies. Right. Next point. First point is we are clear what is the meaning of this title. What is the meaning of this title? How many types of hierarchies we have it? Three types. One is what? Level based hierarchy. Second is what? Parent child. I think these two things we got chance to see now, right? If I go for here, what we are seeing? Level based hierarchy. Second is what? Parent child hierarchy. But in the note something else I given. Third one also I given unbalanced hierarchy. What do you mean by unbalanced hierarchy? It is a sub-concept of level-based hierarchy. It is a sub-concept of level-based hierarchy. What is the meaning of that is? Let us say my high-level business team decided, any country if you are taking, for example, any country you are taking, the country should have sales as states. And the state should have childs as what is this? Cities. And cities should have childs as, let us say, mandals. And that should have childs as, let us say, villages. Something like that they decided. But same thing may not be possible in all the countries. Yes or no? Even in our country, India itself, it is not possible. Is it possible this hierarchy in our India? India country has states, I agree. But each and every state has the cities. Each and every state has cities. Maybe that also I'll agree. Then mandals. Then villages. Now, for example, we take here. We have one state, United Territories. We have it, right? Okay, that is really is not treated as a state. Correct or not? That is separate provision for that one. Separate provision that itself is a city, that itself is a state, and only that surroundings only it's called. Under that one, actually, I think if I give best example means I can give instead of cities, let me give the district. Then I can relate very well. We take our India now. We have here Telangana state. We are taking. We have the districts. But what about the Delhi state? Delhi is a state or not? CM is available and that separate thing, right? But do you have the districts? Question mark. So what I'm trying to say is we decided some kind of procedure, but it may not be possible to implement for all the data. I have business in India, I have business in USA also. In USA, this kind of hierarchy may not be available. And that is one example. Second example, your understanding purpose, let me give you a best example. Let us take your IT. I'm a director, then I decided what I decided is, hey, if you are taking any one customer account, let us say any one customer account should have one account manager, should have what? One account level, we should have one manager. Under account manager, you may have some horizontal managers technical wise. What should be there? Horizontal managers should be there. He is a total account manager. Let us say Walmart is available. Walmart is giving the projects not only on OVA. It is also giving the projects on .NET. It is also giving the projects on PHP. It is also giving the projects on something else. Account manager means what? Is going to take care of everything. Another horizontal manager means what? You are a data browsing manager. You are a .NET manager. Something like that. There is a horizontal manager. Under horizontal manager, we are expecting here team leads. Under team leads, we are expecting, let us say, team members. This is what we are saying. There are some customer accounts may be possible without account manager also. There are some team leads may be possible without team members also. Yes or no? There are team members, there is a possibility without team lead, they are directly reporting to the horizontal manager. Possible or not possible? Possible. We given one standard hierarchy, the same hierarchy, I want to implement in the Walmart, I want to implement in the Amazon client, I want to implement in the KeyBank client, means it is not possible. Because of the billing or whatever, we have the number of parameters, we cannot maintain the same thing. If that is not there, then what will happen is there is a gap. There is a gap. Team member is available, on top of it team lead is not there, then it is called as what? It is on gap. That kind of gaps available anywhere, it's called as unbalanced hierarchy. Did I reached? Okay, if you have any gaps, in the levels, then it is called as what? Unbalanced hierarchy. Balanced means I defined what I defined, 4 levels should be there. That is a balanced. In each account, it may be Walmart account or it may be Amazon account, we are expecting 4 levels. 4 levels of people are not there, only 3 levels of people are there, or only 2 levels of people are there, or only 1 level of people are there. Then it is called as what? Unbalanced hierarchy. That we'll see practically, we are going to see it. Okay. Now, how to create that unbalanced hierarchy, how it becomes as a sub-concept is, if we go and try to see internally, what is the options we have it? Dragged and skipped. I created this hierarchy, level-based hierarchy only, I used it and I created. How I got that object? I went for here, I created a level-based hierarchy. Internally, we have what is the option? Dragged and skipped. If I select these two things, then it's called as unbalanced hierarchy. What is exactly dragged? What is exactly skipped? That I will explain whenever I am talking about the skipped and dragged hierarchy. First, our goal to concentrate is level-based hierarchy is our goal to concentrate. So now you people understand we have how many types of hierarchies? Mainly two types. Level-based hierarchy and parent-child hierarchy. Unbalanced hierarchy is a sub-concept of level-based hierarchy. And parent-child hierarchy and unbalanced hierarchy are newly introduced in 11C. If you take the OBW 10G, we have only one hierarchy, level-based hierarchy. Next, we are trying to talk about what is level-based hierarchy. One-to-many relationship among columns is called as level-based hierarchy. One-to-many relationship among columns is called as level-based hierarchy. What is the meaning? For example, we are trying to take here one column that is called as year column. We are trying to take here a column that is called as year column. Then I am trying to take here a column called as quarter column. Then I am trying to take here a column called as month column. Then I am trying to take here a column called as day column. If I take 1 year, let us say 2000 is the year. How many quarters are possible, sir? 4 quarters are possible. 2000 quarter 1 and 2000 quarter 2 and 2000 quarter 3 and 2000 quarter 4. Now we understand now one value has how many values here? 4 values. It is a one-to-many relationship only or not? So year column to quarter column we have what? One-to-many relationship. One-to-many relationship. Similarly, if you take the quarter column and month column, what will happen? In 2000 quarter 1 we have again what is the available? Month 1 is available. and in 2000 quarter 1 we have what is available, month 2 is available. In 2000 and quarter 1 we have what is available, month 3 is available. So we have, these are the things what we have it. In 1 month how many days are available? That means anywhere if you take it, the relationship between 1 to many or not, year to year again we have 1 to many relation or not. That is what we are saying, 1 to many relationship among columns. Among columns is called as level based hierarchy. Simple. Okay, we are clear about that one. We understand now what is the meaning of 1 to many relationship among columns. Now we take here time hierarchy, are taking it. Grand total, year, quarter, month, day. How I know these are the levels I want it? How I know I want these are the levels? These levels you have to sit with the business and you have to understand it. Tomorrow, let us say I clicked on the year. Where you want to fall? If I click on the year, where you want to go? Half year or quarter? That will be decided by business user. Business user is going to give this requirement. Hey, if I click on the 2000, then I want to see the 2000 corresponding quarters. Then we'll create the next level as a quarter level. If he says I want to see the 2000 corresponding half years, 2000 half year 1, 2000 half year 2, then we'll create what? Half year. If I click on the quarter, I want to go to the month, means month will create it. Okay, if I click on the month, if you want to create, let us say bi-weekly, that means 15 days. Okay, that one is saying means bi-weekly also you may creating it. If you don't want, let's say weekly you want it, weekly will create it. If you don't want day you want it, we create the day. So these levels we are going to get from whom? Business. We are going to get from whom? Business. And what is the meaning of this grand total? And if you closely observe here, grand total is available in each and every requirement. First level is what? Always grand total. Any hierarchy you take it. First level is available, what is this? Grand total level. Tell me one point. What is my total money from the business starting day to till date? I am asking. Total money. What is my business starting date to till date? I am asking. If I am asking she, then she's asking like, hey, tell me day wise revenue, then I can give the things. So I said day 1 this much, day 2 this much, day 3 this much, like that. Let's say I given the service for 1000 days, means 1000 days data I given. She is able to tell grand total, yes or no? Then she asked like, hey, tell me how many students you got chance to teach it, or who are the customers? Tell me each customer how much you paid it. Give me that list. I given customer 1 this much paid, customer 2 this much paid, customer 3, like that I given all the customers information. And she's asking like, hey, tell me what are the products you sold it. Tell me the product wise money. Then I can tell it. Then I said, okay, product 1 this much, product 2 this much, product 3 this much, and quantity is this much, like that I given everything. All 3 members are going to end with the 1 number only or not, sir? Sir, no. Grand total across hierarchies is same. That's what I want to tell. Grand total, if we calculate, whatever we calculate it, should be what? Same. All the days money you are summing, or all the customers money you are summing, or all the products money you are summing, it should be same. That is the reason grand total is available in each and every hierarchy, and it is the common value, one value. It's what? Single value you are going to get it, and the single value is same value. Let's say she said 300, means you also should get 300, you also should get 300 only. If you know the mathematics perfectly. Okay, right. Now let us go and try to see the customer hierarchy. In the customer hierarchy, what you are looking for? Region level, then what? District level, then what? Sales rep, then customer. In the product level, what I am looking? Product type level, subtype level, generic level, and specific level. How to create that hierarchy? We'll start with the time hierarchy creating. If I am not learning the chapter, what is the problem? What is the problem? You cannot do so many things without this one. What are the things we cannot do is, see here, we cannot do what mainly? drill down. Navigating from one level to another level is not possible. You cannot do what? Drill across one hierarchy to another hierarchy is not possible. Here to region I want to move, region to product type I want to move. That is not possible. Level based measures, that is one concept we are going to delete. Next is what? Aggregate tables. Next is what? Time series. These all things are not possible without hierarchy. For example, now I am trying to take here two columns I am taking. Let us say one is called as year column. One is called as year column. Then second is called as dollars column. I am saving this one. Let's say we are learning what we have started learning. Time hierarchy, we are trying to create it. Now okay. Now click on result. I am clicking on the year. Is it moving to the quarter? Why it is not moving? Because in the BMM layer we don't have the hierarchy. In the BMM layer we don't have the hierarchy on the year column. System don't know children is who. Here next level is who, system don't know. That we have to define it. That level we have to define it. Okay, that's what we are trying to do it. After a few minutes, if I click on the year, it has to move to the quarter. After a few minutes, it happens. And what is the color of this one? Black color or blue color? Black color, right? Okay. After some time, we are going to see this color as blue color. We are going to see it. That means it is a hyperlink. It is a hyperlink color. Now, let us go and try to create the hierarchy. For that, I am going to the RPD. Just simply right click on the dimension table, whatever we have it. Then we have here create logical dimension. Then we have this dimension with level based hierarchy. I am clicking on it. Immediately we got one new object. We got it right. This one I am trying to rename here as what we are trying to create. Time hierarchy. You can give any name, you can give it. By default, whenever we create the hierarchy object, we'll get two levels. We are going to get it. We are going to get what? Two levels. One level is called as this one. This is called as grand total. What is the name I want to provide? Always first level we have to define that as what? Grand total level. I am defining that one. And we got here one more level also. We got this is the level. Under this level all the columns are mapped. And whatever we have this next level, that always you try to define what is the lowest level in our requirement. In our requirement, what is the last level? So try to define this as a day level then. So I am trying to define that as day level. Day level. Day parent is who? Month. So we are trying to define that as a day parent as month level. Month parent is who? Month parent is who? Quarter. So we are trying to define that also here, quarter level. Quarter parent is who? Year. So we are trying to define that also here, year level. So we defined here all the levels, whatever we want it, we defined it. After defined, I noticed here year column is available, so I can map to what? Year level. Month columns also available, I can map to what? Month level. Day columns also available, I can map to the day level. In fact, it is available in the day level only. But what is missing? Quarter. Do we have the quarter anywhere here, or if you go to the calendar table anywhere, do we have it? No, we don't have it. So what you need to do then? We need to calculate it. We need to calculate it. So we know very clearly what is the column we have here? Month in year column. If you want to see the data of the month in year column, I can show the data. Right click, view the data. Inside the month in year, what do you have the data? Like this. If month number is 1 or 2 or 3, then can I say that is a quarter one? Month number is 1 or 2 or 3, can I say that is a quarter one? Yes. Like that we are going to do the calculation. Okay, let us try to do that calculation, then we'll try to map it. You know already we are masters in the calculations. We are right clicking on dimension table time, new object, logical column. We want to calculate here quarter, we want to calculate it. So column source, derived, edit expression. Then I want to know case when statement. If you don't know the syntax, need not worry. Here we have what is this? Case. You can take that one. Case when syntax, we got it. Now case. Next line I am writing here when. Next line I am writing here end. Even I want here else statement also I am looking for. So I am writing here syntax part as else statement also I am writing here. Case when else statement. Now when, what are the conditions are here? Whatever we have the column called as month in year column, if the month in year column is less than 4, then I am going to define this as a, what is this? It's a quarter one. Now same logic, I am trying to copy it and then I am trying to paste here. Then less than 7 if it is less than 7, then what it is? Quarter 2. If it is less than 10, what it is? Quarter 3. Else what it is? Quarter 4. That's right. Now we provide here all the things we provided. Then click on here, okay. It is valid. Sorry? Okay, you mean to say it won't work it, right? It will work. Why it is work is I will tell you. Let us say I given the input as 5, for example. First record, what will happen? It is 5 less than 4. It is pass or fail? It is fail. As it is fail, what will happen is we'll execute the next step. What is the next step? It is 5 less than 7. It is pass or fail? It is pass. Then it is going to print. What it is going to print? Quarter 2 it is going to print. It is going to print what? Quarter 2, and it will come out of case when statement. It won't process next statements. It prints what? Quarter 2. It won't process what? Next statement. It won't process it. That is the reason it will work with the less than also. Okay, we need not provide the lower and upper boundaries. Excellent. Okay, now I am trying to erase this. Let's say, okay, then this quarter, whatever we have it, I am ready. Now I can map it, right? Okay, now try to map respective things into the respective levels. So year column, whatever available, I am mapping to the year level. Year column, I map it to what? Year level. Can I map a column? Can I map a column to 2 levels? Question is clear or not clear? One column, can I map to the 2 levels? That's what I am asking. Here it's cheating us actually. Here is available in which level? Here is available in which level? Whatever we are seeing is always not right. Okay, it is showing like it is available in the 2 places, right? As we didn't do the check-in changes, it's appearing like that. It is appearing like that. Actually, here is available only in which level? Only year level it is available. Are you getting my point? And now, so for example, whatever year we have it, I am trying to drag and drop, let us say quarter level. Is it allowing me or not? From this, what is my question answer? Can I map a column to 2 levels? That is what my question. What is the answer? No, we cannot. We cannot. So one column need to be mapped with what? 1 level only. Now, quarter column, I want to map it. Quarter, I am trying to drag and drop onto quarter level. In the month, let us say these all are talking about the month only. So 3 columns I want to map to where? Month level. In the day level, already these two columns are already available. Let us go and try to check in changes. Click on this. Now, this is how our hierarchy is available. Now, observe the warnings here. What are the warnings we receive? Related to our hierarchy. Related to our hierarchy, what are the warnings we have? Related to our hierarchy, what are the warnings we have? These three warnings are related to our hierarchy only or not? What is the problem? Month level, we'll try to see first month level, let us say, or first we'll go the biggest one, year level. What is the year level problem? Year level has no defined key to uniquely identify members. No defined key to uniquely identify members. Who is member here? What is a member? Who is member? For year, who is a member? What is a member? Okay, so in the year level, we should have the key based on what we have to tell that members. Let us say we have the in the month level, let us say two things are available. One is called as month code. One, two, three, like that. Not 1, 2, 3. Let us give the 2001, 01, 2000, 02, 2000, 03, like that is available. Next, we have one more thing that is called as month. John, Feb, March, like that. If I say 2001, we are able to tell, hey, it is a 2000 year 01 month, right? If I say January, what is January? 2000 January or 2001 January or 2017 January? We cannot tell, yes or no? We cannot tell that. Meaning, based on month code, I am able to identify uniquely one thing, yes or no? But month name is not suitable for to identify a member uniquely. Month code is useful to identify a member uniquely, but month name is not useful to identify a member uniquely. And month code need not be a primary key in the database. Primary key is different, and this unique identification is different. Month code need not be primary key of the database. Just we are able to point out to the uniqueness or not. If I say 2008-01, then we are compulsory. We are saying it is a 01 means January month of the 2008 year. You got the clarity. But this month code need not be a primary key in the database. Are you getting my point? And each and every level, there should be a key. There should be what? A key. If key is not there, this is going to throw this kind of problem. Now let me go and try to create the key. I am trying to create the key. I am creating it. Let me erase it. Let us go and try to create the key now. Which level? Year level. In the year level, I have here, what is this? Keys. I am giving any name I can give it. Let us say I am giving the year key. I am giving the name as, let us say, year underscore key. And columns, what is the column available in this level? Year column. And in this level, it is a primary key. In this level only, sir, it need not be database primary key. In this level, it is a primary key. In this level, how many columns we have it? Only one column. That column is acting as a key column. Tomorrow, if I click on the grand total value, this year has to display or not? That is the reason we have here one more option also. What is this? Display. So, the given column, whatever we have here, now this column, year column, is acting as what? Is acting as key column as well as it acting as display column. In each and every level, there should be one key column, one display column. If there is no two columns availability, same column may be acting as what? Key as well as display. If many columns are available, n number of columns together may be acting as a key columns. N number of columns together may be acting as a display columns also. It need not be always one column only display. It need not be always one column only key column. Are you getting my point? Okay. Let us go and try to click on OK. As of now, we completed. Now, if I go and try to check this one again, you will see one warning is decreased. Yes or no? Now we'll do the same job for quarter level. In the quarter level, I am trying to double click. Then I am giving the name here as quarter underscore key, and we are mapping here column is equal to quarter column. We are mapping it. Then select here primary key, and this one we are selecting as what? Display also. Okay. Now check for all objects. Now one more warning is decreased or not? Now let me do the month level. Now month level, what I want is we have here, what is this? Month and month in year. Two things are available, right? These two things I want as a display. These two things I want as what? Display. And month code we have it, right? This one I want as a key. This one I want as a key. Let us go and try to do in that way. So I am trying to select here, let us say, double click on this month level. I am giving the name as here, what is this? Month code we want as a key. Month code column we are using as what? Key. Let us say columns, I am selecting here which column? Month code column. This one we want to use as what? Key. Are you going to use this as a display purpose? No, we don't want to use this one as a display purpose. That's why we are not selecting it. Now next one, month name we are using as what? Display. Any name I can provide the logical name only. Okay. Now we are trying to select here month as well as month near. Both I am selecting it. How many columns I selected here? Month column as well as month near column. Both I want as what? Display. Do you want to use this as a key column also? You want to use key column? No, I don't want to use as key column. So this column is acting as what? Only key, not for the display. These two columns together acting as what? Only display, not for the key. Not for the key. Now I am trying to click on OK. You are seeing some kind of warning. What is the warning? Month level has at least one display key that contains multiple columns. Only the first column of a display key is displayed when drilling. When drilling. It will tell like that only, but it will work properly. Okay. In 11G, you won't get this kind of message. In 11G, you won't get this kind of message. In 12C, you are getting this message. We are using what? Two columns we are using, right? That's what this message is coming. But you can ignore this warning. You need not worry about it. You can ignore this warning. If you click on the quarter, we are going to get the month as well as month in year. Both we are going to get it. Are you getting my point? Right. Click on OK. Now next day level. In the day level, day key was acting as a primary key from this moment, right? From here, it is acting as what? Primary key. Right. This column only we dragged and we renamed it. That's the reason it is a primary key, right? So here also it is acting as already it is acting as what? Already it is acting as what? Already it is acting as what? Key as well as display. But my goal is I want to use this as a only for key. One more thing is available. What is that? Day name. The day name I want to use as a display. So what I will write is here day name as display. Let me select here day name display. Now day key we are using as what? Primary key. Day name we are using as what? display, okay. Now check-in changes, click on S. Now we can see here, are you seeing any warnings? Sorry, here this already this window is available. Still month level we have warning. What is the warning? We know that warning. I said we'll get that warning, but still it is not a problem. It will work, right? Okay, let me close this one. Then save it. Then quarter column just now we created, right? That's the reason we have to drag and drop into this layer or not? Yes, we have to drag and drop into this layer. Check-in changes, click on S, close it. Now we are going to the front end. Now reload server metadata, then try to refresh the report. Is it the color of the year is changed or not? Sorry, we didn't drag the hierarchy. We need not drag into the presentation layer. Still it works. Okay. If you want to develop a report using hierarchy object directly, then you have to drop it. Even in OBW10G, we cannot drag the hierarchy object into the presentation layer. That's what in OBW10G what I said. Hierarchy object is newly introduced in 11G. I said. In the presentation layer, if you read the book, I said over there what I said. Hierarchy object newly introduced in 11G. I said. Okay, dragging is not required. Dragging is not required. Now I am trying to click on here 1998. What you are expecting? Corresponding quarters. I am clicking on the quarter one. What you are expecting? We got one column or two columns? What was the warning? That said only one column only will get it man like that, right? But we are getting what? Two columns. That warning will tell like that only. Okay. Like click on here what? Two. Then we are getting what? Corresponding day name we are getting it. That's it. So this hierarchy is working or not? This hierarchy is working. Today try this one. If really understand this, if you go to my notes, I have here two more hierarchies. That screenshots I given here. Customer hierarchy and product hierarchy. Try to build in the same way. Are you getting my point? As of now, I am saving this one. Then tomorrow we'll meet and we'll try to continue from this point. Okay. Thank you.